In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to instantly convert SPayLater to GCash, and I want to be clear from the start so you don't waste time or money. There is no official or direct way to convert SPayLater credit into cash in GCash. SPayLater is a buy now, pay later line of credit designed specifically for purchases within the Shopee app. It's not a cash advance, it's not a wallet, and it doesn't hold a transferable balance you can move to other platforms. Here's what that means in practice. When you open your Shopee account and use SPayLater at checkout, you're borrowing to pay for an item or service sold on Shopee. The credit is applied at the point of purchase only. Because of that design, there's no feature that sends SPayLater funds to GCash or any other e-wallet, and there's no withdrawal option to convert it into cash. The system simply doesn't support fund movement outside Shopee purchases. GCash, on the other hand, is an e-wallet that accepts money through its official cash-in channels, like bank transfers or over-the-counter partners. Since SPayLater is not one of those channels, it can't feed money into GCash, so if you're searching for a quick convert button, the honest answer is that it doesn't exist. It's also important to be cautious of any third-party offers, social media posts, or tricks that claim they can turn SPayLater credit into cash. These typically violate platform terms and can expose you to scams, extra fees, account suspension, or even identity risks. If a method promises instant cash from SPayLater, it's almost certainly unofficial and risky. If your goal is simply to use SPayLater responsibly, keep everything inside the Shopee ecosystem. Choose SPayLater at checkout for eligible items, review the repayment schedule, and pay on time to avoid interest and penalties. Check your statements regularly so you know your due dates and the total repayment amount before you commit. If your goal is to have money in GCash, use GCash's official cash-in options. Treat SPayLater as a separate tool for purchasing on Shopee, not as a source of withdrawable funds. That clear separation helps you budget better and prevents confusion about what each service is meant to do. To wrap up, SPayLater can't be converted into GCash instantly or otherwise. It's a purchase-only credit line with no transfer or withdrawal feature. Stick to official pathways, avoid risky workarounds, and use each platform for what it's built to do. I hope this clarity saves you time and helps you make safer financial decisions online.